Hello friends. I am glad to welcome you on my channel. I always have a lot of new reviews for you. Subscribe and like. Headphones are actively bought up. AirPods of the second generation were sold out just a few hours after the start of sales in most countries of the world. The delivery date of the new AirPods 2019 has shifted to April, and this includes both a model with a case with wireless charging and a version with a standard charging case. The buzz around the new AirPods is not as strong. New AirPods are still available for purchase in the official Apple online store with delivery in a period of 2 to 3 weeks. The same delivery time for headphones was also at the first appearance of new AirPods in the store. Recall that the updated AirPods 2019 wireless headphones were released on March 20th. Headphones have retained the design in the style of the original model, having received a unique H1 chip to improve connection stability, increased battery life and a charging case with support for wireless charging. There will be a lot of interesting information for you on my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like. See you again on my channel.